Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share an incredible pack of 280 plus cinematic LUTs across 16 different categories, each tailored to suit a unique mood or style. Best of all, these LUTs are compatible with all major video editing software on PC, helping you take your videos to the next level. These LUTs are perfect for giving your footage a polished cinematic look with just a few clicks. They're provided in the universal .cube file format, making them usable across various platforms. You can get this entire pack for just $6 through the link in the description below, an unbeatable deal for such a high-value resource. And here's the bonus. The first 30 buyers will also receive 25 premium cinematic glitch transition presets absolutely free along with the 280 LUTs. After downloading the pack, simply extract the files and copy the Cinematic LUTs folder. Next, right-click on the PremierePro icon and select Open File Location. Once you're in the installation directory, navigate to the Lumetri folder, then to LUTs, and finally open the Creative folder. Paste your copied LUTs into this folder. Now launch your PremierePro project. To access the Lumetri color panel, go to the window menu and select Lumetri color. Choose the clip you want to apply the LUT to, then head over to the Creative section within the panel. Here, you'll find all the installed LUTs. Simply click on any LUT to apply it and instantly transform your footage. Don't hesitate to try out different ones to see which fits your project best. Now let me show you how to use these LUTs in After Effects. Start by right-clicking the After Effects icon to open its file location, or navigate directly to C, then Program Files, then Adobe, then open After Effects, then Support Files, then open Lumetri, then LUTs, then open Creative. Paste your copied LUTs into this Creative folder, then open After Effects and bring your video into the timeline. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Apply Color LUT, which you'll find under the Utility category. Drag this effect onto your clip and a file browser window will appear. Select any LUT from your saved folder and click Open. The LUT will be instantly applied to your video, giving it a beautiful cinematic touch. Don't hesitate to try out different ones to see which fits your project best. That's all for today's video. You'll find all the download links and important details in the description. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.